As an intern, we get involved in loads of different projects here in Mossel Bay. It ranges from white shark research and data collection, even going out on the cage diving boats. We also go out on tagging trips. So we do looking for hammerheads, smooth hounds, ragged-tooth sharks, collecting as much data as we can on all of these. We also do educational talks in the local schools, conservation talks for clients and people locally as well. But one of the things we really love to do here in Mossel Bay is to help out an amazing lady and some amazing birds.
I built SAPREC in 2005.
Wow, okay.
Yeah.
You built SAPREC?
Yeah, I built it. I just have a passion. I have a passion for what I do. I can't put it in words. I'm passionate. And if I didn't do it, what would happen to all of these creatures in this area?
What are your biggest challenges?
To become financially sustainable. Instead of every couple of years or every year we battle along and we almost close down. So our dream is to become financially sustainable. Around 1,000. I'd say 80% have been released, but we have had birds that we couldn't pull through. Like a penguin, if it's got a severely damaged flipper or legs, then they actually stay here. We don't euthanize penguins; they're endangered. So we never, unless it's critical. And but obviously seagulls and birds, flying birds that have got terribly broken wings, and we have to euthanize them. I look after about 250 kilometers of coastline, and then people phone, or vets phone, or the SPCA phone, and then we make sure that they get them. I would relocate. I'm far out, and I'd actually try and relocate and rebuild. Spent so much time looking after them and caring for them, and now we're just letting them go back to the big ocean. Please, everybody, they are saying within a decade the African penguin could be extinct. So it's vital, if you're on the beaches, please, if you see if a penguin on the beach standing on its own, you shouldn't be there. And please support any cause for the African penguin. They really need it.
Being involved firsthand in the work that Carol does is such an amazing experience. To see someone that's so passionate and dedicated about their work, it's very humbling, and it also gives you a lot of hope for the future of conservation. The fact that we can help these endangered species in any way that we can, it's such a positive thing, and I think that any support that can be provided to SAPREC will be amazing. It's going to be super easy to be able to help SAPREC now. We've set up this really fantastic thing with Sharktopia. Caitlin from Sharktopia in the US has been so kind as to donate a design.
My name is Caitlin Cove. I'm the artist and creator of Sharktopia. The designs I've created for aiding the Seabird and Penguin Rehab Center will go directly to support that cause.
We're going to put it on t-shirts, and it looks super cool, so it's going to be really easy. All you have to do is click on the link at the end of this video, and you'll be able to order the t-shirts there. So there's nothing else involved, all straight to the work of Carol's work, and the release and the rehabilitation of penguins will go straight back into helping an endangered species.